Hi everyone, welcome back to my art channel. Thank you for being here. I am doing kind of like a leftover paint day today. I took a bunch of different blues that I had, even some like small cups like this, and I dumped them all together and made this beautiful blue color. So it's almost like a turquoise blue. It's got some Payne's gray in there. It's got some King's blue, phthalo blue, turquoise green, turquoise blue, a bunch of different colors. So every now and again, I like to just get all my little bits together and I can make a base color or another color. I've also got a little bit of that purple color that I did those commissions with, and I'm using those same colors from that commission to use the rest of them up. So if you haven't checked out that one, it was a commission I did for a lovely couple for their anniversary, and I'll link it in the description below. But I loved it on the purple base. So I'm interested to see how these colors are gonna play on this leftover blue color as well. I've got two canvases, I think they're 12 by 16 inch. And my concept is to have this one as the side design blown over, and then have this one start here and kind of blown out a little bit. So, you know, they may go together, they may not go together, but I'm gonna try. Let's paint. All right, so I didn't have any of this color to paint the sides with, so we're just gonna wing it. And you can always touch up your sides with this same type of paint. It just takes a little bit more coats to get the same coverage because it's thinned out. This should be plenty of paint. All right, so I'm gonna give this a torch. Ooh, lots of air bubbles. Because I just threw those into a container together and just said, have at it. Once I stretch it out, blow it out, some of the bubbles will go away as well. All right, this had really good side coverage actually, so I am happy about that. The paints are a little bit thick for the base, but I did my little tilt test and it's not really moving that much, so I think that's a good amount on there. So let's get going. I really liked in the kind of triple puddle blowout that I did, I really liked having the Payne's gray closer to the top. So I'm gonna save that color combination, I think, for closer to the top. So I'm gonna start with this here on this side. Then I'm gonna come in a little bit of the white, and this white is still mixed with a little bit of pearl white. Now I think I'm gonna go, let's go with the gold now. Then the green. This lime green, it's not really lime green, it's like a middle green with a little bit of yellow in it, but this was the surprise color for me because I loved it in that purple one. All right, next, let's do the purple. A lot of colors in this one. All right, now we're getting to the top. I'm gonna do my Payne's gray on the top, and I think I'll have just enough for the puddle on the other side. A good amount of white, and I really want this one to really blow a lot throughout and cover that canvas, and then this one to kind of blow upward. Did I put this blue in there? I forgot the blue. How could I forget the blue? I have a lot of colors here. and silver. All right, that side is done. That is actually a really pretty twisting design by itself. I still, one of these days, if you've been following me for a while, I said that I want to just pour the colors and have enough restraint to just let them dry like they are. So maybe I'll try that one day. Okay, so for this one, I think I'm going to start that puddle here. And I think I'll do the same type of... Okay, one down. I think I'll do the same type of pattern. I'm trying to decide. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it. Okay, is that most of my gold? All right, now the green. And I may travel this a little bit and move this puddle up just a little bit. Ooh, what color did I do next? I actually think I might do the blue here. And then the purple here. Then the last of my paint, maybe a little bit more white. Then my purple, what's left of it. My purple. My paint's gray. Oh my goodness. Oh, all right. All of these are out of the way. Then my light blue. Oh, this may be really cool. And then my silver. And the silver, I'm going to spiral it around all the colors. Okay, give this a good torch and let's see how this one comes out. Oh, I had it. Let's do this. I must say, it almost looks like they go together. I love the use of the negative space. I'm really happy that I didn't go all the way off the edge with these petals right here. I am just gonna add just a little bit of my little signature little finger painting through there. My curlicues. Break that apart right there. Okay, like that. The only thing I think I'm gonna do right here is just do that. Do I wanna do anything else? I think I'm gonna stop. This is really cool. It looks like it explodes onto this canvas and still like wraps its way around that one. I'm happy with this. The green and the purple, I like it. The gold is very predominant in this. So is the silver. I'm happy. All right, I'll show you what it looks like. These colors on this base are so pretty. Let me get you in on some of the details first. Such a pretty color combination on the purple and on this blue base. That green, I feel like that green and the purple really pop on that one. This one's got a lot more gold, but it's still gorgeous. I love it. Love that section up there. And I do feel like they go together, right? Super fun. This was fun. All right, we'll see how it dries. All right, here they are. What do we think? On the turquoise blue, the green almost looks more like an olive green to me. On the purple base, it definitely looked like a different green, but also I mixed in purple into the puddles this time, so that could also be what's contributing to that different color green, even though I used the same green out of the cup. So multiple factors at play here. Your eye kind of playing tricks on you and then mixing with those other colors. It's not really playing tricks, it's just your eye's perception. That is called color context. All right, so my favorite part right there. And I don't know what I think of this composition. I love both of them separate. I do think they go together and they kind of give like this shape that goes up like that. This one is really pretty too. Looks like a regular kind of Dutch pour blowout, but super interesting. And in the light, you do follow the gold all the way through up to the top. So it's definitely got good motion to it as well. But this was definitely fun, trying out same colors on a different base, different composition, and really just seeing how the colors play. Well, I hope that you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Happy painting. Bye-bye.